Good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Professor Prashant Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, Sagar Institute of Science, Technology and Engineering, SISTEC E, Ratibad, Bhopal. In Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering series, we are covering Unit 5th, that is Basic Electronics, in which today we are going to cover detailed explanation of logic gates, in which we will discuss symbol of logic gates, truth table of logic gate, and we will also discuss operation of logic gates. So let's discuss about logic gates. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit which having one or more than one input but only one output. The relationship between the input and output is based on certain logics. We are going to discuss one by one these all logics of the logic gates. Based on logic gates logic, they are named as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and we have several combinations of these all basic gates. Let's understand with the basic their symbolic representation. This is the symbol of OR gate, this is the symbol of NOR gate. The basic difference between OR gate and NOR gate is NOR gate is a combination of OR gate plus NOT gate. Similarly, this is called AND gate and this is called NAND gate. The similar difference between the AND and NAND gate. NAND gate is just the inverse. Its output is just inverse to the AND gate. Means NAND gate is a combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. Similarly, we have some more logic gates like XOR gate and XNOR gate. We have NOT gate, this is called inverter gate, and we have buffer. These all are the basic symbols of basic logic gates. We are going to discuss the first gate, that is NOT gate. NOT gate is called inversion gate and it is also called complementation gate because it performs the operation of inversion or complementation. You can understand the operation of NOT gate, that's why it is also called inverter gate. Inverter gate means it is going to just invert to the input, means it is just its output is always opposite to the input label. It changes 1 to 0 or 0 to 1. Means when input will be 1, then output will be 0, and when input will be 0, then output will be 1. With the help of this symbolic diagram, you can understand the basic operation of logic gate. This is NOT gate. The output of NOT gate is A inverse, where A is input and a complement of A is called output. This is the symbolic representation of NOT gate, a triangle with the bubble that is called NOT gate. Just understand the truth table of NOT gate. When input will be 0 means low, then output will be just opposite of this. This is inverse bar and 1. When input will be high means 1, then output will be just inverse of the input, that will be 0. With the help of this circuit diagram, you can easily understand. Here a battery is connected to the lamp and it is controlled by the switch. When switch is open means its value will be 0. It's open means the value of A will be 0. In that case, bulb will glow, means output will be 1. But when the switch is closed, it treated as a short circuit condition and no current will flow through the bulb, means when switch will be closed, it will be treated as 1. In that case bulb will not glow, means output will be 0. So that's why its output is always inversion to the input. That's why it is called inversion gate, complementation gate, and it is also known as inverter. Next gate is AND gate. AND gate is called A and D. The AND gate has two input marked as A and B and single output, that is Y. Dear students, there is no any kind of foundation that number of input will be only 2. Generally, we use input more than one because for the single input we use NOT operation, but for more than one input we can use AND gate for the AND operation. Here, in the case of my diagram, I have taken only two inputs, that is A and B. The value of inputs are combinations of low and high, means 0 or 1. The output of this AND gate is the AND operation, that is Y, or Y equal to A dot B, means the output of AND gate is the product of the input. The AND gate operation represents the Boolean equation, that is Y equal to A dot B, means output of AND gate is the product of A and B, means both inputs. Let's understand with the truth table. When the both inputs will be low, means 0 and 0, then output A dot B will be also 0. Similarly, when input A is low but input B is high, means input A is 0, B is 1, in that case their product A dot B means 0 dot 1 equal to 0 also, means output will be also low here. Similarly, in inverse case, when A is 1 means high and B is low means 0, then output will be A dot 0 and it's also will be 0. In the fourth case, when the both input will be high, means input A is high 1, B input B is also high 1, then output will be 1 dot 1 means A dot B, this will be high. Means I can say, with the help of this diagram, it looks like a battery is connected to the lamp and it is controlled by the two switches A and B, and both switches are connected to series to the battery and lamp and series to each other. You can easily understand that there is only one condition when current will flow from the battery to lamp, that is when both switches are closed, when means both inputs will be high. When switches are closed, we consider input is high, means 1 1. When both switches are closed, in that case only battery will pass current to the bulb and it will glow. But in the other cases, if any one switch is on, the lamp will not glow. So this is called the AND operation or of the AND gate. Means for the AND operation, what we have to consider, if for the taking output, the value of both inputs should be high. In that case, we get the output 1. Otherwise, in the rest of all cases, the value of output will be low. Let's talk about the next gate, that is the next basic gate called OR gate. OR gate. The OR gate has two inputs A and B, and here output will be Y. That will be the OR operation of OR gate. Again I am repeating, there is no any kind of foundation that the output of the OR gate will be, the input of OR gate will be only 2. It should be greater than more than 1, but we can use for the n number of inputs. This is the symbolic representation of OR gate, means here A and B are both input and the output is Y, and the output Y is the OR operation of the OR gate, and its value will depends upon the OR operation, means the output Y will be A plus B, means it is the sum of both inputs. But in the case of AND gate, we have seen the output was the product of both input, but in the case of OR gate, output is the product of both, is the addition of both input, means A plus B. Here the value of input and output may be either 0 or 1, means may be low or high. For low I have taken 0 and for high I have taken 1. With the help of this truth table, you can easily understand the working operation of OR gate. Here when both inputs are low, means 0 0, A's will be 0 and B will be 0, then output will be A plus B, means 0 plus 0, it will be also be 0. In the second case, when input A will be low but B will be high, means A will be 0 and B will be 1, then output Y will be A plus B, means 0 plus 1, it will be 1. In the third case, when input A will be high and B will be low, means A will be 1 and B will be 0. In that case again, the output will be A1 plus 0 and this value will be 1. But in the next case, in which both inputs will be high, means 1 1, input A is high 1, input B is high 1, then output will be 1 plus 1, that will be also 1. Dear students, maximum student has confusion that in basic mathematical operation 1 plus 1 is considered as 2, but here 1 plus 1 is considered as 1. So how it is justified? It is quite difficult for you to understand. So you must remember, it is a logical operation, it is not mathematical operation. And due to logical operation, when both input will be high, then output should be high, and for high we have taken symbol 1 and for low we have taken symbol 0. Here 0 and 1 are binary symbolic representation. As per my consideration, low value represented by 0 and high bits represented by 1. Dear students, output of the OR gate is 1. It only one case, output of the OR gate will be 1 in 3 cases, when either when any one input is high or both input is high. But When both inputs are low, then its output will be also low. With the help of this switching circuit diagram, you can easily understand. In this switching diagram, it looks like a battery is connected to the lamp by the switches, and two switches are connected in parallel to each other. These switches are A and B. In the case first, when A and B both are open, means it is considered as 0 0, then there no current will pass from the battery to lamp, and the lamp will not glow, means output will be 0. But in the case when A will open and B will close, means A will 0 and B will 1, the current will pass from the B switch to the lamp and bulb will glow. In the third case, when A is closed, B is open. In that case also, the current will pass from the battery from the switch A and bulb will glow. In the both cases, in the fourth case, when both switches are closed, means current can pass from either A, either B, or A and B both. In that case also, bulb will glow. So this is called OR gate logical operation. Means OR gate logical operation, both switches are connected to each other in parallel and they are connected in series with the bulb. But in the AND operation, both switches are connected in series and they were connected in parallel to the bulb and the source. So this is all about the logical operation of basic three gates, that is NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. In upcoming videos, we will discuss more about XOR gate, XNOR gate, and we will also discuss about universal gates like NAND gate and NOR gate. Dear students, for the references, I have taken the reference book, that is Electronic Devices and Circuits, Dr. Sanjeev Gupta, and some basic contents I have taken from the Google. Dear student, this is all about today's lecture. If you have any kind of doubt, then please write in the comment box. Hoping you got what I want to taught you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you have any kind of suggestion, then you can write in the comment box, so I will make my next video according to this.